Welcome back, Shot Tribe. We are at we at school for the carnival, y'all. I really don't like the way this bun shaped right now. We just gonna roll.
Oh, that's a bun? I thought it was a ponytail. Why you want to just take it out and leave it down?
Can you hold that for me real quick?
It's stuff dropping out in.
No, look. My Tussy got a load of heat.
I see why they think this ain't my hair. But this one, y'all. Look how it move at the top.
Excuse me.
It's mine though.
Y'all know where y'all scan is?
I'm not sure, honestly. It didn't look like it was nowhere to scan. I think you just kind of walk around.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Gotta get a wristband.
I forgot her name too, because she went to school there too. Sharon looks so grown now.
Y'all look how my hair be moving. It's dirty right now, so we ain't gonna talk about it too much.
Yeah, she got stuff falling out of you, y'all.
So, dude, I'm gonna wash it though. See the way I'm set up, I be caring about everybody else. Ain't that so nice to me? I'm gonna care about me tomorrow.
And I don't really get along with my kids.
Which I got oh my boy, the cones.
We're gonna get it together, y'all.
Hey, Miss Coco.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
Good.
We're gonna get it together. Y'all, we ain't gotta go that way.
Oh no, we
Let's
got
get the wristbands. We already got them. Y'all, we out here. Ooh, the little outfits.
How much longer before they come on,
No.
The corn. Okay. I don't know.
No, I don't even like them.
I was trying to see. I don't know. I know it ain't $10. Maybe say 10 cents. I don't know. What? Oh, Island Road. What's on it? Let's see.
I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gifts to it all. No, do nothing at all. My mind, what you need and what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can change my mind, what you need and what you like. I could be paranoid, the observation before me. You had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it as soon as I walked in. Do it all. Speak for me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. Speak for me when I don't blow. I can break you off, lay your gifts, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all.
Hold on.
I was just gonna say, yeah, throw it that way.
Close. You might need to step back.
We're good right now. We're good.
Come on.
Good job. Come on.
Alright, look, pick you up so you can reach, okay? Alright, ready? Go! I'm ready!
Y'all, welcome back. Let me sit y'all a little though. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, Shot Tribe. We are currently looking like a cone head, but that's all right. Don't let that worry. Cause all weekend, I'm gonna be looking real cute, real nice, real snatched, real put together. You get what I'm saying? Oh yeah, sweatshirt by my best friend. Let's take this off. Sweatshirt, best friend. And y'all done had this for like a year or so. I think longer than that. Maybe it's been 2 years. I don't know. But real nice, real cute. I got an oversized, little nice oversized skin. Oh y'all, let's fold these clothes up because I gotta finish washing. Fold the clothes up. Gotta pack. I gotta go to Five Below, Roses. And I don't know how many times we've been to Walmart this week. It's probably been over 10 times, y'all. I know at least 2 times. We went to Walmart 2 times in one day, and it might have been 3 times. I'm not sure. Been who y'all. Gotta do that. And me personally, I like to clean my house up before I go on the trip. I don't know what it is, but like just coming home to a clean house, it just, and I think I said that before on here. I'm not sure, but yes. So I gotta finish cleaning up. It's not much. Mainly just our room and my room I gotta clean up. But yeah, y'all, keep watching. I think I'm gonna start with the white clothes. Y'all fold the clothes, they got the biggest pile or the smallest pile? Which one y'all do first? Yeah, most of the time I got the most clothes. Honestly, this time though, it's not even as much as it used to be. Like it'll normally be. I don't have that many things to close. Because we washed kind of early. I think I washed like 2 weeks ago or something like that. So it wasn't all the way time to wash it. But just went ahead on. Husband needed something washed, so I said, we just wash everything in. So that's what we're doing. Washing before the trip. Then I got my granny gown. See, y'all go. Y'all know this old faithful right here. Y'all know I love this granny gown. Y'all, I just went and got another one for Roses. And let me tell y'all something. Y'all can argue with me up and down all y'all want to. Walmart, they got the good granny gowns with the pocket on. But other than that, when it comes to long and comfortable, baby, Roses got them beat. And they cheap. I think this was like $6. I think they highest little granny gown is like 10 maybe. I think I'm gonna be having some cheap ones too, but they not soft and long and comfortable like they do. But to me, I'm gonna wear a granny gown. Got the long one, got the short one. Baby, please don't play with me. We can go granny gown for granny gown around here. Yeah. Not yet. Let me get them up some more. I think I got like 5 of them. Somewhere around there. But y'all, we on the move right now. So, yeah. Let's finish these clothes. We can head back to the house. Finish our hair and we can pack.
I can break you off with your bitch, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off with your bitch, do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off with your bitch, do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need and what you like. soon as I walk in. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can change my mind. What you need and what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can change my mind. What you need and what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me. You had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it as soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your gifts do it all. Sweet for me when I don't go.
Don't like nobody at the school.
Wow, I thought I was recording this whole time, y'all.
And then what's we call it?
This
Skylar
girl
gonna
just-
be out there. I called
I'm
Skylar and asked
recording
if
and
she
she
going.
yelling, y'all. That's crazy.
Come on, you got all your
Very much
shoes.
insane.
You're not gonna be back until Monday. Until after you get out of school Tuesday.
I know. I don't need my picture. My picture.
You sure?
She don't know.
Yeah.
She just saying it.
The clothes I have in my bag is only red.
What about the clothes you never wash?
I didn't wear nothing. I haven't worn nothing pink.
Okay.
Don't say no. So if she leaves something, she
Mama.
need help. Y'all, I'm so sad. I should have got my nail done because I chipped it. I'm really sad about that. I chipped it. Y'all can't tell though.
Shut up.
But anyway, y'all.
Don't
I finally finished my hair. I'm probably finna put up some kind of little bun or whatever.
Baby, put your jacket on the stick.
Anywho, you can take that jacket with you if you don't have one. I was finna give it away. Anyway, y'all. I'm headed to. So, let's run down what I've done and what I haven't done yet. I have done, I finished my hair, obviously. I finished washing. Finished doing my hair, finished washing. I haven't finished packing. I finished cleaning up somewhat, but not the room yet. But we working on it, we working on it.
Put the suitcase where?
Just put it in the trunk, 'cause don't roll around on this.
Anywho, y'all, because they just talking all in my background. Y'all know when I be alone. Because don't nobody be talking in the bed. Y'all don't hear nothing.
Man, ain't nobody studying no shots right.
It's always a hater everywhere we go, y'all. Even at home, sometimes you live with a hater. But you know what? Y'all know what y'all got to do about them haters. Y'all got to dance on it. We don't worry about it. Y'all, I'm so ready to go to New Orleans. I'm so ready to go, y'all. The time was about to be had. But y'all, tell me why. Okay, so I did my sister hair like a month ago. I think, now in a few days to make it a month. Y'all, why my sister hollering about some, can we help take her braids down? Now, keep in mind, y'all, she got a hair appointment in the morning. In the morning. So I hope she watched this and see me talking about her real bad. And I had told Mama, I ain't help her take them braids down because she should have been dead. She talking about some, can I help her take the middle down? And then she trying to go out to the bar tonight.
That's not where they go.
Y'all. If one thing I need her to do, is one thing I need her to do.
No, man.
If she gonna be anything in
Go
life,
ahead and put that in
I need
there.
her to be
You
for
go
real.
back and put this on there correctly. I told you about that attitude. I don't have one.
Oh, she just a little lazy. Cause we don't make her do nothing. You want us to make you clean up?
I don't have one.
That's all right. We just said it. I said it. You just don't want to clean up nothing.
I don't have one. That's what I'm saying.
I know that don't include the attitude. I just said you just don't want to clean up nothing. Sure. Don't slam the door. That boy finna take her over there to Mama, and I'm finna tell on. I'm finna tell everything. Yep, we finna drop Miss little attitude off. Sure is. I hope she hear me out there too. Anywho, y'all, we're getting ready to drop our child off to her mother, and we're outside. Okay, we're outside, people.
Come on, Simone.
Let's not. Good, I like it that way. Anyway, y'all, where my shoes at? Time to go, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get back. Wait.
I can break you off.